Hi everyone. So quickly, I will be sharing one interview experience. Okay, this is TCS Ninja interview experience for this year only. So the interview was conducted on 21st of May. It's a very recent interview experience. Let me share you all the details. So I got this message from one of the candidate. Sir, completed TCS Ninja interview today. Location Pune. Okay. Question are mentioned here. First one is intro. So introduction, as we all know, this is the basic question anyone will be asking. Then there is explain project. So as this is a TR interview, so there will be one TR interview. There are some technical questions in the starting. So explain project. Okay. So I am hoping the candidate did the project in full stack development, because if you can see in the interview, in the further questions, the questions are related to web development only. So they ask explain about your projects. Then difference between Angular and React. Now this thing is very important. Like any kind of tech stack you are using in your project, okay, make sure you are reading all the advantages of that tech stack, okay, all the disadvantages of that tech stack. Also, if you are using two or three things which is kind of similar in nature, like suppose you have written that you know C++, you know Java, then you should know the top five difference between C++ and Java. So that's why if you are mentioning Angular and React, you should know the basic difference between Angular and React. Why use Redux? So this is also the question which they asked. MongoDB versus SQL. This is also one difference which they asked. Like in MongoDB databases and in SQL databases, what is the key difference? Also, if you're wondering how you can prepare for generic subjects for the interviews, okay, because if you have mentioned any kind of specific technology, that you need to actually read through yourself only, because anyone can provide you generic notes only. Any specific technology if you are preparing, you can use Google. Otherwise, for the generic notes, you can purchase the notes link will be in the description. There is one ultimate e book is available which you can use for your generic preparation. Okay, all the important questions are covered in this ebook. Then there is oops questions, separate oops questions. Then there is programming notes. Then there is STL collection framework notes, HR notes, DSA theory, project based question, CS fundamentals, SQL queries, computer science fundamentals, coding sheet, pseudo code, and experience sheet. So you will be getting many things here. So you can basically purchase the notes. The links will be in the description. So these notes will help you out in your preparation. There are so many things available. Then they asked about callback function. So callback function is basically for JavaScript. So I am hoping the candidate either use the JavaScript in project or he have mentioned in resume. In which situation we should use linked list over arrays? So we generally use arrays, right? So the interviewer asks like in which situation we can use linked list over arrays. Then how to print top three salary from table? Matlab, after doing the sorting, how can we print the top three salaries from table? Then explain normalization. So this is also the concept of DBMS only. Then asset properties. This is also the concept of DBMS. That's it. Then HR question, normal questions. So in the HR question, they ask normal question like, why do you want to join? Are you ready for relocation? Why do you want to join TCS only? If you have any other offer letter, you will join or not. It was around 25 minutes interview as mentioned. This was the whole experience for TCS Ninja. Okay, recent experience. Also, you can purchase the notes if any kind of preparation you are doing. You will be getting multiple notes here. Thank you so much for watching.